Hello and welcome. I'm Lisa. Are you tired of keying in your menu changes to Square POS and then having to rekey them into your menu design program? Well, you'll be thrilled to know that you don't have to do that anymore thanks to PosterMyWall's integration with Square POS. Link your Square POS account directly to PosterMyWall and you'll be able to sync whatever you've entered into Square with your menu in PosterMyWall in a single click. Let me show you. Start in your Square account and you can go ahead and update any menu items or prices or descriptions as you see fit. For the purpose of today's demo, I am going to create a new item. So add the item name. I'm going to call it the Double Double, and I want you to watch that because that's what we'll be tracking through this exercise so you can see how this works. Add the description, add the category, and add the price of $15.95. And you can see that when I save it, the Double Double has been added to my list of menu items. Next, open your menu in PosterMyWall. Click the menu to edit, and once you're inside, you go up to Import from POS. When Square opens up, you can see all of your items that you've added, including the Double Double. Click Select All, and then click Import. And you can see your items, including the Double Double, are added to your menu. You can see the little square symbol to tell which ones. Click the Double Double to add it over to the bigger list. And I'm going to move it to where I want it. And then update my menu. And you can see, here's my menu updated with the Double Double. The next time you go back in to edit your menu, you can update to match anything you've changed in Square just by clicking Refresh Imports. I'm going to update a price to show you. I'm going to go back into Square and I'm going to update the price of French fries. See, I'm changing it to $5.95, saving it. I'm going to go back into PosterMyWall. And once again, go back into Edit, and this time I just have to click Refresh Imports. And you can see on the right that the classic fries price has been updated. Once you save your work, you can download your file. There's an MP4, a GIF, a JPEG, or a PDF, if you click for more options. Or you can publish it on social media, an email campaign, to digital signage, publish it as a web page, embed it on your web page, or link on social media. PosterMyWall Menu Maker with Square integration is an amazingly easy way to quickly update a price or to pull a menu item that maybe you've run out of. You know you'll want unlimited high-res video and image downloads, so we've got an offer for you. Use promo code RestaurantBoss30 to get 30% off of a PosterMyWall Premium or Premium Plus subscription or upgrade, and this offer is good until March 27th. See the link in the description to give Menu Maker a try. Please share this video with your friends and colleagues who operate restaurants or bars. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in more PosterMyWall tips and demos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.